live in the middle of nowhere, and yes, I'm in the middle of nowhere. That's Saf. It's a barbecue. So, update. So yeah, update. This is what you got. What I had under that tarp. This is a 1969 Bradley kit car, and today I've been working on it. A couple bricks for my furnace or fireplace thing there. That's just there to sit down. So I get it out. I'm trying to get the body off, and I'm not sure if I want to go keeping the body on. Like, I have the vents for that. I have the gas tank, which is up there. Mustang, okay. This is the one thing. Engine still there. She's built. She's still looking semi-decent. So last time I said the axle was on. It's not on because I didn't finish this up. My back tweaked out, and so I still got that to do. The frame rail is up there in the other car, the garage. This is the top for the Bradley kit car. Okay, so that's your there. That's what that windshield's for. Cannot find a new one if I do that. I plan on building a frame for that, so it's like it'd be a dune buggy, motorcycle engine. Audi's out here. Went for a burn in the Mustang already. The old tires off. The old tires from 2011, but on new 19-inch rims. That's what's going to go on the Mustang 69. But other than that, I've not been doing much. So it's just going to be like a random day. I'm working on that Bradley kit car. As you can hear a fan going. Gotta have like, it's a space heater, but I just have it on the fan part because I don't like laying in water. Tomorrow I might get out there or get out underneath it and work on it. But tonight, just taking it easy and see what else I have. Start of day 2. Okay, so mostly, you know that when you take off this fucking GT2 or GT1, see, I'm covering my serial number because I'm not stupid. That's the only thing that tells you what this car is. So a custom kit car allows it to be. So you always have your bolts all the way across your frame and up and over. Okay, that's what holds it in. Now the other thing you're gonna have to do is this here. That's your speedometer cable. That goes only to the driver's front tire. So that's very crucial not to fuck that up. And that comes in through here, a tiny little hole. In reality, I didn't even have to do it to these. Okay, so those can go back in. Make sure your wiring is disconnected from anything here. I had to pull off this steering knuckle because you can't pull this off and up without this. So this is just a 13mm bowl or 1/2 inch. It looks like somebody used to mash the shit out of that accelerator. It's your brake reservoir, manual brakes. The cap's busted. On here it connects right to there on the side, but this is a go-kart idea. Put my mags on the back. This is the 1.6. Like this, the generator for this is brand new looking, but I really don't care for this engine. I want it gone. Transmission, I've seen somebody that done an R1 to their transmission. I don't have an R1 and I don't need super amount of horsepower. Should be fun, but I just don't care for it right now. That is not my main objective. I don't know. Tension rods. Oh, here's something actually. This is how cheap they were back in the day. Unless this is somebody else doing this. So, coilovers, right? No, this is just a fucking you doing for an exhaust manifold, or sorry, exhaust pipe on the bottom and top of this coil. That is how cheap. No, and look at that, it's already still rubbing. Like, that's horrible. That's not good at all. I'll put proper coilovers on this, mainly for the shocks, but if you look at the suspension style, those are straight shafts, so that's its own technical sway bar system, but it does have one here. Yeah, it's your underside, has vents. So in order for me to take this over and to put a frame on it, I'm going to have to build all around a base up height, and then keep going, and then build the cage over the back, obviously. just redo everything. Just keep upping it. Haven't touched the Mustang because it started raining last night too. That's literally only like 5 hours of work I really want to get done today, or will be doing today. So it's pretty simple. There's Saf this morning. Hey, Fat. Yeah, original gas tank too, surprisingly. Hey, get away from that. I'm gonna get on some more work on this today because the sun is shining and it's good. Okay, so there's a bit of rusted out, so you see all that? Yeah, lots of little holes. This here, that's bronzing. Somebody had bronzed this in instead of actually really welding. The frame rail is going to need to be redone, so I'm going to put like a 1x1 pipe or square piping in them, bend it in, and have it work. The cross member looks to be seemingly okay. I'm surprised the driver's side probably will have this shit too. I haven't got there yet. So it kind of turned into a video for this stuff. Come eat cake. I'm done. Duff, living in nowhere. New projects. Mustang I haven't touched. I'll probably do that next week. I'll be here for the week. And then in Calgary for the weekend. Gaming. Do stuff like that. But, like always, have a good one.